Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be wear testing this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna's matte lipsticks. They're supposed to be long wear lightweight lipsticks and the shade should match all skin tones. I bought two colors, that is Flamingo Acid and Spanked. So I will be trying both of these colors on 2 different days so I can see the performance. Now this is not a brand new product on the market. It just I'm late to buy it, test it and review it. So let's check the shades on the skin. This is Flamingo Acid. It's like a deep pink. And this one is Spanked. So let's go ahead and try it on the lips. So on the first day, I'm going to try Spanked, and on the second day, I'm going to try Flamingo Acid. So let's go and try it on. This is the color that I'm going to wear. The name is Spanked. It is really smooth. So this is how this shade looks. This lipstick is really lightweight. I don't feel like there is anything on my lips right now, and I like that. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and have my lunch, and let's see how long this stays on my lips when I'm having my food. So let's go. So this is my lunch and it's a greasy patty. So let's see how long the lipstick stays on my lips after eating this. And it's already on my bun, so maybe not longer. After I done eating, it's all gone. So I'm just gonna reapply now. The second application is not creamy anymore. It feels very grainy. So I'm having tea right now and it did transfer on my cup, but I guess that's normal for a stick lipstick. So we just got home. We went to the park and we had a nice walk, and it was nice. After a long time going out and walking, yeah, that's nice. I did sweat and it was windy. The lipstick is still on, which is good. I'm going to try the other color tomorrow and see how that one performs. This one is pretty good. Yes, when I ate or drank water, it did transfer. But other than that, I think it stays pretty good on your lips. So let's see how the other color performs tomorrow. Today I'm going to try this Flamingo Acid shade. It's deep pink in color. Yesterday I tried Flamingo Acid. No, I didn't. I tried Spanked. What's happening? Yesterday I tried Spanked and the application of Spanked was really smooth and buttery, and it did felt really light on my lips. But whenever I ate or drank, it did transfer on it. When I tried to reapply it, the application was not smooth anymore. It was very grainy on my lips. So let's see how this one works. Today I don't have any big plans. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be home. So let's see how long this stays on my lips. The application is not as smooth as the Spanked. It's little, I won't say it's rough, but it's not as smooth. So this is how the Flamingo Acid looks. Yeah, it is like deep pink. I really like it. Yeah, it's nice. I'm going to have my lunch now. I'm having rice and some curry for lunch. And yeah, let's go and see if this stays on. Just finished eating and the lipstick did transfer on my spoon. But other than that, I think it's still on my lips. Like you can see, it's gone from my inner lip, but it's still on. I'm having tea right now and the lipstick did transfer on the cup, but not as much as the other one did. So that's good. So this is end of the day and you can see the lipstick is gone and my lips are feeling super dry, like really dry. So I want to take this off and I see you tomorrow. So my final thought on these lipsticks are, it is buttery smooth on an application. It is lightweight in the beginning, like first few hours, but later on it just dried out my lips where I wanted to take that lipstick off and apply a bunch of lip balm. About the long wear, it can be long wear if you eat the right thing with it. The first day I ate a sandwich and all the lipstick was gone. But the next day I ate rice and a curry with a spoon and it stayed on. So overall, it is like any other stick lipsticks. If you like those, this is a good option. But if you want something to stay on your lips real long, then you may want to buy a liquid lipstick because they do stay on your lips for longer. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.